Hey, this is Nathaniel with AGL Yacht Sales. Today we're out doing a little photo shoot on a Catalina 34. This one's a 1988. It's in really nice condition. And we're out sailing in South San Diego Bay. Going at about 7 knots right now. And man, it's a beautiful day. Here she is, Selah. Here's her anchor locker. There is chain on there, plenty of road. Anchor locker's in nice shape. There is no electric windlass on this vessel. As we walk back along the side of the vessel, note those 3 opening port lights and 2 solid non-opening lights. The Dodger and Bimini are in nice condition. Completely functional, not brand new, but in good condition, as is the sail cover. As we get into the cockpit, moving into the salon, there's a little pan, nice big bench to port, dinette convertible to starboard, 2-bowl sink, water heater below. There is the mast, keel step mast on this vessel. A lot of storage above and behind and underneath the benches. That's a DC monitor, newer VHF, and solar charge controller for the 100-watt solar panel on top of the Bimini. Classic Catalina electrical control panel for 110 and 12 volt. I opened that up. As you see in there, there is a lot of newer hose for the waste system. Here's the head. Big head with a nice solid door on this vessel. It's very nice. And it is a wet head. That shower head pulls out. Here's the V-berth. They got a big cushion for sleeping on and put it in there, you know, like the memory foam type. And then similar cushion back here for the aft cabin, which I would call this an aft cabin. You have a nice seating area as well, and then that queen size basically bed back there. Here's the motor running. Universal M25. In nice shape. It's been pretty well maintained. Here we are sailing again. Got some good wind for that photo shoot. Here is the Helm binnacle. It has autopilot, compass. That is the nav screen that has the radar up. Here's a Magma barbecue, a solar panel on top of the Bimini, 100 watts. There's the autopilot control. Here is the roller furling and a nice little clip of the boat sailing south. Nathaniel at AGL Yacht Sales, 619-313-3664. I can help you buy this boat or plenty of other boats as well, but this one's great.